Hello, this is Cozy, and I'm gonna demonstrate how to make a ballerina doll. So after you have your materials, we'll get started. Nearly forgot to say, you need some polyfill stuffing. And now, we're gonna download our patterns. Our next step is cut the patterns to separate the feet from their legs. As you can see, I've already stitched legs and feet. So now we're gonna put them right sides together and stitch them leaving the openings. So now put the fabric right sides together and stitch along the other pattern's lines so that we can cut them out. But you should have some seam allowances. Snip the corners because this is gonna make them easier when you turn them right sides out. It's time to turn them. After making the legs, you want to stuff them inside. Look at this arm carefully. Inside, outside. Then draw a V. Next, what you want to do is running stitch so that we can pull it and create a knot. Let's attach it on the body with letter stitch. You can do the same thing on the opposite side. Next, we're gonna also draw a V on the inside of the leg. Maybe we can do the same thing. Our next step is close the openings with letter stitch. I want you to quarter-sect the face with your threads and draw its eyebrows, eyes, nose, and mouth. After you cut your threads, you want to attach the face and the body. So now stick some pins to fix it. And we are gonna letter stitch. Our next step is attach the legs and the body. Letter stitch. It's time to make a pant. So put the fabrics right sides together and stitch all the way around except the opening. Maybe, snip the corners before turn it out. Let's close the opening with letter stitch. Now we are gonna check the front side and put it on the body. After pinning, we are gonna letter stitch on the both sides. Our next step is do running stitch so that we can pull and fix it. Next, we are gonna stitch the darts. When you press them with your iron, the first fabric starts toward inside. But the next things are go to the outside and put them right sides together. Now you want to stitch along where I'm pointing my finger. Let's turn it right side out. Next, we are gonna put it on the body. Now let us stitch. To get its bust, we should stuff it in there and let us stitch. take a lace to make a halter. Now grab the edges of the both sides and wrap it around the both shoulders like me and glue. It's time to make it skirt, so now take the see-through fabric and fold it in half. Then put it on the body upside down and stick some pins to make pleats. Now stitch along where I'm pointing my finger. With leftover fabric, we can wrap and fix it around its body. As you can see, I've already made a ballet shoe. So now you want to take a string and fold it in half. Then fix it on the back of the shoe with a pin. From now on, look very carefully, but it's not difficult. Take your cotton wool to make its hair. Now put it on the head and stick some pins 0.5 centimeters away from the edge. And you want to stitch all the way around. Now grab and flip it. Next, we just need to tie its hair with your threads. And trim the excess. Now make it into a circle. Glue the edges of the hair. But my threads have come untied, so I'm gonna stick some pins to fix it again. Finally, we can put the flower in its hair. Can you make easy? If you have any questions, please feel free to ask and leave a comment. Bye for now and happy sewing!